Java interview question 7. What is method overloading versus method overriding? Very important question, frequently asked question. Okay, so method overloading means giving the same name to a method and giving different arguments in the same class. So it happens at the compile time. That's why it is called as compile time polymorphism. Inheritance is not required for this. Return type for the method can be same or different, but number, type and sequence of argument must be different. An example is given here: add method that takes 2 integer argument and another add method that takes 2 double argument. Moving ahead to overriding a method. Overriding happens in parent and child class. Rules are the number, type and sequence of argument must be the same, and since it happens during the runtime, it is called as the runtime polymorphism. Return type of a method can be same or covariant. Covariant here means that if the return type of a method is, let's say for example, number, then the child class method can be number or integer or the child of integer. That means if the parent's method has a return type of any parent class, then its child class return type can be given or same can be given. So here is an example of the same. At the rate override annotation is not mandatory, but if it is given, then it is a good practice. Class animal has a method called as sound, and class dog extends animal, so child class can override the method of parent. Sound is being overridden here. Now let's see the differences between this overloading versus overriding. So you can see this table, it's beautifully organized. Features, overloading and overriding. So class relation in overloading, it happens in the same class. Overriding, parent and child is required. Parameters in overloading must be different, that is number, type or sequence, at least one should be different. Whereas in overriding, it has to be the same. Return type in overloading can be different, whereas in overriding, it must be the same or covariant. Then polymorphism type for overloading is compile time, happens in the same class. For overriding, it is runtime, happens in the child class. And the annotations required in overloading, no annotation is required. For overriding, at the rate override annotation is recommended, not mandatory. And there are some of the rules associated with this overriding concept that we have to remember is that we cannot override a final method, we cannot override a static method, we cannot override a private method as well. See you in the next video.